She's getting away with it because people are ignoring their constitutional obligations. And we need to step up, hold our individual office holders accountable. Your city clerks, your county clerks, your county commissioners, your city council members, your school board representatives, your principals, your public school teachers. Any government employee has the duty to uphold the Constitution. Every single government officer has the duty to uphold the U.S. and Michigan constitutions. I don't care how small of an office it may seem. I don't care how big it is. There's no exceptions. Every one of them has a duty to uphold the state and federal constitutions. So we need, as a people, to hold them accountable and remind them of that. No more excuses. Our state reps have been nothing but excuses from day one on this. You know what? I could be a garbage truck driver. That's okay, because I'm an American citizen and the Constitution applies to me the same as it does to any other United States citizen. So whether I have the credentials or not doesn't really matter. My credential is that I was born here in the United States, and the contract that is called the U.S. and the Michigan constitutions, those apply to me. We're all given special gifts and talents and abilities from God, and we're all equal in his eyes. No one is above the law and above the Constitution. The Constitution is the contract that everybody here in the United States has to live by. If you don't like it, leave. Or try to change it. But not illegally. Change it the way that the Constitution requires that you change it.